Welcome to TrueReviews. Today, we're diving into MondFX, a broker claiming to offer seamless trading experiences. But is it trustworthy? Let's explore. MondFX asserts regulation by St. Lucia and lists an address in the UAE. However, investigations reveal that St. Lucia lacks a Forex regulatory authority. Additionally, no records of MondFX exist with UAE regulators or any other highly classified regulators. This absence of credible oversight raises significant concerns about the legitimacy of MondFX. MondFX offers MetaTrader 5, MT5, a widely respected platform known for advanced charting and automated trading capabilities. While MT5 is a robust tool, it's standard across many brokers. MondFX's does not seem to provide competitive advantage to complement MT5. Trustpilot reviews for MondFX are scarce, with a rating of 3.1 based on 7 mixed reviews, predominantly negative. Common complaints highlight issues such as withdrawal difficulties and unresponsive customer service. This limited and concerning feedback suggests potential reliability issues. MondFX claims to offer 24/7 support via various channels, including live chat and email. However, user experiences indicate that responsiveness and effectiveness may be lacking, especially during critical trading periods. This inconsistency in support can be detrimental to traders requiring timely assistance. While MondFX presents itself as a competitive broker with advanced platforms and continuous support, the lack of proper regulation and negative user experiences cannot be overlooked. Traders are advised to exercise caution and thoroughly research before engaging with MondFX. Always ensure that your chosen broker is properly regulated and has a positive track record to safeguard your investments.